We are Carl and Katty. Together, we are Nowhere Bound Touring. We've been adventuring for over 2 years now around Australia in our truck and our caravan. Sharing our full-time life on the road, we take you to some interesting and unique locations, along with sharing tips and tricks of how to make caravan life that little bit easier. So if you're not already, make sure you hit subscribe.
As you know, the other day we foraged prickly pear. So now I'm just preparing them. So basically I've soaked them and we've spun them so that the prickles come off. And now I'm just preparing them. So you have to skin them and take out the seeds, and then you've just got that bit of flesh left to eat. Some of these aren't quite ripe. So the rubber gloves are for the colour that you're going to stain your hands with, but also in case there's any stray prickles. So if they're fully ripe, you can actually peel them by hand. These just aren't quite ripe enough. Done all the prep of the prickly pear. The lemons that we foraged the other week, I'm just using in this preparation. Half a cup of sugar, pinch of salt, and blend. So I've just heated everything in the saucepan to make sure the sugar's all dissolved, and then I just need to pour it into a container to pop in the freezer. So it'll need to be in the freezer for at least a day, I would say.
The end result was delicious. I just added some gin to my nice sorbet. So we're just camped in the Yabba State Park. I'm just saying it again.
I don't think it's the Yabba State Park, by the way.
It's Yabba State Forest.
I don't think it is.
Okay, we camped somewhere.
We were in the Conondale National Park, but now we're in the... Oh, I can tell you where it is. We are in the Yabba State Forest. Plain.
God, you cut my head off.
I can't help it that you're a short ass.
Well, that's not very fair.
Oh.
Picking on my
Stature.
stature.
I'm Katty.
Hi, I'm Katty.
And I'm Cal. That's a bit better.
Sorry, that was really dumb. Hi, I'm Katty.
And I'm Cal.
And we are MBT.
Nowhere Bound Touring. Catherine's driving! Send me a comment. Are we going to make it? Break. No, we're not going to break it. Oh, you got a bra on. I didn't even notice.
It's a crop top.
It's funny.
We have all this space. And these poor people here are going to come home to find that right next door. Of all the places, he chose there. G'day! We're out and about again. No.
Wrong.
I'm Katty. Yeah. Hi, I'm Katty.
And I'm Carl.
And together we are Nowhere Bound Touring.
Ready for turtle hatching? Yeah. So hopefully we can get some turtles.
Fingers crossed.
Yep, fingers crossed. We'll see how we go.
You pulled my top down.
Oh.
How long his fur is in his house.
Wow.
He's the glamour.
You give them.
Go round. Kaz.
Get socks on.
Oh my god.
He looks like a yay.
We'd like to welcome these two. They're on the road full time. They're ex-Victorians.
And it's not just Australia that we're aiming for.
That's right.
We have got the truck set up so that it will go into a container ship. And we can put it on a ship.
Container ship.
A container ship, a shipping container.
Okay, started.
Okay.
We love the support that everybody has shown us by giving us a thumbs up for our videos. We appreciate it. If you want to, if you would like to show a little bit more support, one way is to purchase some of our merchandise. Okay. While we head up the north coast of Australia, do some national parks because we can.
Up the east coast.
So he's going to have a little break there while we head up the east coast of Australia and do some national parks because, of course, now we can.
It's crooked.
It does look crooked.
It's crooked.
I think it just moves slow. Yeah, that's straight.
Alright, I just got to get the best angle. Oh, yeah. Jump on. Are you trying to say anything?
I don't think I need to.
Okay. Do we want to do it again?
Sure.
G'day everyone. What did I say? We just
had a lovely night.
okay. Want to have say on it, and it could accompany beanies or stubby holders or anything else that you like to include with it. And that can be sent, like Catherine said, directly to the
person.
Directly to the
Recipient. To the person that you're sending your gift to.
Directly to the recipient of your gift. And then it will be all downhill from then on, all the way back.
I had a nervous wee.
Of course Catherine's got to go to the toilet.
We have our bell and we've got 7 speed. What is it? 7 speed. 7.
And the tiny ones every 3 hours, the little sugar gliders.
Did I just say stop a sec? Something's not right.
What have you done? The whole lot.
Yep, the whole lot.
Oh, really? What did you do?
It was on bloody action, whatever the hell that is. I don't even use action.
Because we were ready for action.
Sorry. I just
Such an amateur.
Now I've got to go back and go.
How about we just...
Oh.
There we go. That's better. That's better. Oh, that's sort of not in their face. Hello. Oh, you've got big nuts.
That's George.
Big nuts.
Hey, George.
Oh my God,
Look at them. Look.
How a bit big, aren't they?
What's their story?
Oh, he has got big ones, hasn't he? Mum's normally.
We've got the fat folding earth e-bike. Ant e-bike. The fat folding earth ant e-bike.
The...
Fat folding.
Don't get too close, it might bite.
Might have some.
Oh,
yuck!
Girls, what is it?
Looks like it's about to do a poo. Oh, yuck!
That's Carl.
It's like, Emma, it looks a bit goldish.
Oh my gosh, look how quick it moves. Girls, throw eggs at it.
No, it's in real Easter bunny. It's in his face, see?
Anna!
I haven't seen it pouring its ears much.
I want to see it run down that way.
Give it a scratch. Scratchy, scratchy. Burn up mixed with toast.
I see hair! I see hair! It's a boy!
I saw eggs getting thrown.
Emma, everybody get next to it for a photo.
See hair!
It's got the strangest hop I've ever seen.
Quick, handling.
Go, bang like this.
Savannah, look, everyone look over.
Oh.
Yeah, I'll help, I'll help.
Death.
Dad, you're dead!
Look, run that one straight up the bottom.
Hey!
It's got feet.
And it stinks! It stinks! Hey, Dad!
No, don't do that. Don't attack the bunny.
See what it's doing?
Lucky we're down this end.
It is taking
Oh, what happened to your face?
Why?
You're bleeding.
Ah.
Super sharp.
Oh.
What happened to you, Easter Bunny? Don't look like a real one. You're dead.
Don't, you're making it all dirty now.
You could call this vanning amongst the vineyards.
Whereas, how do you feel about coffee?
Right.
And this tells us what?
But this describes how you feel about sex.
Smells nice and tastes like shit.
watching, and don't forget to subscribe. If you want a reminder, hit the bell. And remember, we always love a thumbs up.
Well, I left Chattanooga, boy, had a dollar and a dime. Headed out for Nashville on the Hard Rock Line. I'm working on that old steamboat and learned to rob and steal. When my feet had touched dry land, how happy I did feel. Been saving every penny for to make up through the fall, working for that dollar.